Dear student of class 10th, I'm your Sandhya ma'am from MBM Public School, and today I'm just going to lead the third topic of English writing, that is very important, and that is letter writing. Okay, before starting the letter writing, I want to inform you something important description about that letter writing. Okay, so there are a lots of things that is given relate to your letter writing. There are two types of letter writing, formal, informal, but in examination that has been asked only formal letter. Okay, so first of all you should know that what is letter writing. So letter are an important medium of conversation to each other. बात करने का एक तरीका, एक माध्यम है ये, ठीक है. एंड इसके दो तरीके होते हैं, फर्स्ट इनफॉर्मल एंड सेकंड फॉर्मल. इनफॉर्मल मीन्स अनौपचारिक, लाइक फादर्स के लिए लेटर्स, फ्रेंड्स के लिए हस्बैंड वाइफ, फ्रेंड्स सिस्टर ब्रदर. बट इनफॉर्मल बट फॉर्मल इन फॉर्मल we talk about that business, official, study, institution, like that. Okay, so in board examination mostly ask behalf of formal letter. Formal, not formal. Formal we always pronounce this word because after after o it has been come r, and r is a consonant, and before r there are came o, that is vowel, so we never pronounce the word r. Okay, that's why we call it formal letter. Never pronounce the r word in that word, formal. Okay, formal, not formal, that is omitted because that is a silent. So first of all you should know that there are how many types and kinds of formal letter. Okay, formal letter are written to official business, associates, organizations, etc. to correspond with them regarding issues and concern related to the business profession and law and order. It includes business letters from one business organization to another, to government office, etc. Letter of application to apply for job, apply for leave, etc. And official letters, letter of apology, references and recommendation, and letter to from employees. Clear? Okay, so you should know that what are the kinds and you can say types and classification of the formal letter. So there are a lots of formal letters. First is letter to editor. Okay, letter to editor we discuss about that. Editor are generally associated with newspaper, magazines. These letters are written by a common man regarding general issues concerning the public, like if you have water problem, society problem, social problem like corruption, and electricity problem, you can complain that. Okay, and second is a complaint and suggestion letter. Okay, and third is letter of application, and fourth is business letter, and fifth is official letter. Okay, so that was the letter, formal letters types and classification. But today's topic is what is the format of letter writing. Okay, what is the format of formal letter writing, so we will discuss it. I have made the format of formal letter writing, that is the letter to the editor. First of all you have to write the sender address. After that you have to leave the one line and put the date, and then receiver address, his rank and his name and addresses. Okay, in that corner. And after that you have to leave one line here, and then in the central page of that in mid you have to write the subject. Okay, subject, there may be subject of complaining to the management, study problems, social problems, there may be any topic which you have chosen. Okay, and after that the main body of the letters. You have to start your content which is related to your topic from there. Okay, there will be some of the 3 paragraphs. It may be long, and you have to discuss about this area, the description about that topic. Okay, and after that you have to end your letter with the complimentary closing word. Do you know beta what is a complimentary closing word? Yes, I told you in your class that the wording of your faithfully, your sincerely, your obediently, these are the words as known as a complimentary closing words. Okay, so that was the format, and that is also format which you can easily understand. First of all, you have to write the sender address, then you have to leave one line, you have to put the date, and then you have to write the receiver address, and then subject. You can write your subject in a mid or corner, both are the correct. Okay, and then you have to salutation means greet करना अपने seniors, अपने department को, either their sir or madam. Okay, and then you have to start this. Okay, there may be 3 paragraphs I told you in that part, first, second and third. That is the main body of the letter. Okay, in that part you have to discuss about your problem which you have included in your topic, like improving people with literacy. That is the subject of the letter. Okay, and in this areas, in this part you have to describe this problem, and then conclusion, and then complimentary closing words. Your sincerely, your faithfully, and you have to mention your name. If it has been given in your question, then you have to write this. Clear? So that was the format of formal letter writing. That is a very important for your board examination, dear. And that is a I'm again it repeat: sender address, date, receiver address, subject of the letter, salutation, body of the letter, and complimentary course. Okay, so I hope all of you have cleared this, and that is a writing, complete writing of the letter. Okay, I hope all of you have got this easily. That is a easy concept to write. And one thing keep in your mind, that there should be the exactness in your writing, that where should be address, where should be salutation, where should be content, and where should be complimentary closing. And never write the complimentary closing word that side. It will be always this side, not this side. Okay, so your letter writing has been completed, and the next video we will meet very soon. Till then, be safe, stay home, and keep it continue with Sandhya ma'am.